The kind of landform, badland topography, which is present in this area, that is Potwar Plateau, and if you talk about salt range as well. So these are areas which are uneven, rugged topography or undulating land, because of a lot of erosion is taking place, because there are mountains nearby. So what happens, there are certain limitations as well. Irrigation via canals is not possible, because canals are constructed on plain areas, and with this undulating land with ridges and depressions and gullies, canals cannot be dug in this area. So irrigation via canals cannot be provided, which limits the farmers to stick to subsistence farming, and they also depend on rainfall, as we have already studied. Then if we talk about a possibility, what possibility do we have here? We have discussed that there are various mineral deposits, and these mineral deposits would lead to further economic activities in this area, not only mining but other activities. Industries are formed because the mining sector provides them raw material, and mining in this area has also led to a tertiary activity, which is tourism. We are going to discuss these economic activities in the next slide in detail. Now if we talk about being connected to surrounding areas, then this is right adjacent to Punjab plain, and it is very well connected via railways, via roads, and even via air route. So with all the infrastructure facilities being available, with connections via roads and railways, transportation and communication is easier. If they have industries there, transportation of raw materials and products is also easier. So we have urban areas here as well. Let's see in the next slide what industries are there, what minerals are found here, and what other economic activities are done in this area.